Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Night News. I'm your host, Tony Lee, and today I want to go over a few things within the crypto space. But before I begin, I have to start with this. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do should not be considered financial advice. Please, please, please do your own research, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into the top 10 coins. So, at number one comes Bitcoin at 30,032. Number two, Ethereum at 1,783. Number three, Tether at 99 cents. Number four, USD coin at $1. Number five, BNB at 288. Number six, Cardano at 62 cents. Number seven, XRP at 39 cents. Number eight, Binance USD at $1. Number nine, Solana at $39. And number 10, Dogecoin at 7 cents. So as you also can see, we are still in the red. Like I said, I foresee us being in the red for a good little while, for the foreseeable future. I'll say it like that. Now let's look at let me go back here. Let us look at oh wow, let's see if it has it. Let's see here. Let's see what the market cap. Well, the market cap from what I can see is 1.23 trillion. So it's still high. The crypto fear and greed index, let's look at that. So right now we're at a 13. So it's going up a little bit. Yesterday we were at an 11 and the last week we were at a 10. So it's creeping back up a little bit from its low. So we'll just have to keep an eye out on that. So let's get into some news. So it says Michael Saylor says current volatility is irrelevant and predicts Bitcoin to be at $1 million. So that's pretty big. And that's a pretty big assumption for the currency. So it says maximalist Bitcoin holder and the chairman and CEO of the MicroStrategy company, Michael Saylor, is still bullish on the Bitcoin despite the bearish market. While commenting on the new regulatory bill of June the 7th in an interview, he predicts Bitcoin price to be around $1 million in the future. Now, 100,000 I could see within this next bull run, and by Bitcoin climbing the way it does, I could see 250. If it could crack $200,000 within, let's say, the next 10 years, $1 million wouldn't be out of the realm of possibilities if it could crack 200,000. Because, like I said, 800,000, like I said, I take that back, 250,000. If it could crack 250,000, it wouldn't be out of the realm of possibilities because then it would be what, $750,000 left. And then, like I said, just doubling it up in price if people are starting to use it. And with mass adoption, it will start to become more valuable. So let's continue to read on. It says the interview argued about the possibility of Bitcoin falling down in his company, MicroStrategy, which nearly holds 130,000 Bitcoin, could face more losses. Saylor replied that Bitcoin would not likely plummet to zero. Furthermore, he discussed the current volatility is largely irrelevant. So I guess I can kind of see where he's coming from. If you believe in something, if you believe in the technology, even if it's downward, if it's on a downtrend, you know that eventually it's going to go back up. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do should not be considered financial advice. I'm just giving my opinion. But okay, just like for instance, Apple and Bitcoin. I know there is apples and oranges, no pun intended, but Apple's down right now within this bear market that we're experiencing. But I mean, when I say you, if someone owns Apple stock, hey, you believe in Apple, you know that Apple's a good company. You know that once we get out of this situation, Apple stock's gonna go back up. It's solid, and that's how people feel about Bitcoin. Out of all the cryptocurrencies, people feel as though, hey, okay, we're in this slump right now, but hey, Bitcoin, it's not going anywhere, and I think that's what he's getting at. It's not going anywhere. It's here. So, America Tech Tycoons further stated that Bitcoin is obviously better than gold. Wow, and everything gold wants to be. He noted that if Bitcoin had the same nature as gold, it would be only 500,000. Wow, $500,000 per USD per coin. That's crazy. So yeah, I mean, like I said, we'll have to wait and see. We'll wait a good little while and see how high Bitcoin it can actually get. But Yeah, it's pretty interesting. So let's move on to some other news. So it says global crypto market cap falls below 1.25 trillion as Ethereum wavers. So I mean, like I said, the market cap right now is 1.23 trillion. Um, we were at a high of nearly 2 trillion in October slash November. That was the previous bull run that we were on, but like I said, it's dropped from the different things that I've gone over in previous episodes. If you haven't watched previous episodes, then uh how do I say this? Was quite a few different things going on in the world right now, so far as with inflation, so far as with what else? Interest rates, so far as with the war, and so far as with the virus. So like I said, we're in a tough spot right now. So like I said, and the market's definitely feeling it. So with that, people are having to take money out of the markets, not just the stock market, but the crypto market as well. So, I mean, it's lost a lot of value. So, the global crypto market, let's read. The global cryptocurrency market cap fell sharply towards the end of the week, following a market-wide sell-off in the past 4 weeks that has put a dent in the micro price performance metrics of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Last week, Bitcoin dropped to as low as 28,000 before recovering this week as it continues to hold above 30,000. Now, when Tether Luna had plummeted, Bitcoin actually got to 25,000, and I couldn't believe that. I had to check because I heard that, and I was just like, "Hold on, no, it didn't." And I went and checked it. I was like, "Oh my gosh, it literally dropped down that low." So yeah, the markets is being punished right now. It says on Friday, Ether dropped to as low as $1,705, losing about 10% value over the past day and coming into the range last seen in March of 2021. On Wednesday, sentiment stated that dwindling demand for the crypto asset as well as mounting fear were the main reasons for Ether's sharp plunge. And like I said, the longer you hold a lot of these currencies, you're gonna see the market go up and down. That's just the nature of, like I said, this market and this space. This is the nature of this space. The market's gonna go up and down. But if you're in a project that you believe in, like I said, when you see it go down, you understand that hey, this is just a part of the process. I told my story about in 2017 seeing the market go down and hearing people call it when I very first heard of it a scam and it was it wasn't real and this and that, and then seeing the market go down and it's just like okay, well, I guess they were right. And then it's like in reality, seeing the next bull run that ended up happening, it was just like wow, it was never a scam. In my opinion, that's what I'm saying, in my opinion. But yeah, so I mean, like I said, we're gonna see these ups and downs, but um I just, well, I've said this is just, I'll say this. I believe in patience. I believe that patience is key. That's what I believe in. Patience is key. So, well, that's tonight's episode of Crypto Night News. Once again, I am your host, Tony Lee. If you found anything of interest, please hit that like and that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments section, how high do you foresee Bitcoin being in the future? I am curious. I could realistically see 250,000 in my opinion. Well, within the next 15 years, I could see it $250,000 Bitcoin. Um, but yeah, let me know in the comment section, where do you all see Bitcoin going in the future so far as like the price? How high do you think it could get? All right. With that being said, once again, thank you. I am your host, Tony Lee. This is Crypto Night News. Um, Thank you again for watching, and until next time.